Hello everyone, welcome back to Lexus of Edmonton located on 170th Street. Today we are going to be talking about the stunning 2017 Mercedes Benz AMG, the model CLA 45 in the color Mountain Gray Metallic. To start, we have a 7-speed all-wheel drive auto shift turbocharged engine, your LED headlamps, and your 18-inch AMG 10-spoke wheels. Now coming to the driver's side, you have your turn signal mirrors. On the door panel, you have your automated 12-way driver's seat and your automated window, mirror, and lock buttons, as well as your auto trunk button. Moving in to this beautiful suede and leather seating with multicolored lights throughout the AMG. Beside your steering wheel, you can find your auto lights and your cruise control. On your steering wheel, you can find your vehicle's maintenance information and your Bluetooth. Coming to the middle center console, you can find your LED display screen that can be controlled with your rotary dial. Heading down center console, we have your call display and your heated seats and your dual climate control. Heading down, we have your mode selector, your rotary dial, cup holders, and your armrest storage compartment. On your headliner, you can find your auto-dimming rearview mirror, interior lights, and your panoramic sunroof controls. Heading to your back passenger area, when you open the door, you pull the middle seat down. It will reveal 2 cup holders when pushed. Your back trunk can be opened multiple ways, including your key fob. You have a spacious trunk with a netted storage compartment on the left side.